Good day, students. Today we will do EVS subject and lesson number 7 are clothes. Very easy chapter, and you already know about clothes. You wear different types of clothes. So we will study about clothes of different seasons. Okay. Open your EVS books to lesson number 7, that is page number 22, and write CW and date on top. Yes, so we will study about our clothes. Clothes मतलब जो कपड़े हम पहनते हैं, different types of clothes we wear. So do the reading with me. Our body is very important to us. Yes, we all know our body is very important to us. It helps us in doing all our work. So we must take good care of it. Yes, we have to take care of our body and the different parts of our body. First, we wear clothes to cover our body. What we do first thing, we wear clothes to cover our body. Second point, clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Very important point. We wear clothes to cover our body, and there are so many different types of seasons and different types of atmosphere changing every now and then. That is heat, very hot, cold, very cold, रेनी सीजन, देन डस्ट, जब बहुत आंधी चलती है, मिट्टी उड़ती है. सो एवरीवेयर देर इज डस्ट. सो क्लोथ्स प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम ऑल दीज टाइप्स ऑफ सिचुएशंस. ओके. थर्ड पॉइंट, क्लीन एंड वेल आयर्नड क्लोथ्स. यस, साफ कपड़े, धुले हुए, एंड वेल आयर्नड, जो आयरन करे हुए, प्रेस हुए हुए, make us look smart and tidy. Yes, if we wear clean clothes and ironed clothes, they make us smart and tidy. They give us. We wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons of the year. As we have different seasons like summers, winters, rainy season, spring. So we have different types of clothes also related to different types of season, like summer, winter and monsoon. Monsoon is rainy season. So first we will study about summer season. Like in summer season, what type of clothes we should wear. See, this is the picture. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Summers we wear cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes in summer. We get cotton from cotton plant. Here, this is the cotton plant. You can see this cotton. So from plant we get cotton, and by using this cotton, the thread is prepared, and then with the help of thread, weaving is done, and then the cloth is prepared, and that cloth is available in the market, which we get it, and we get our clothes stitched. This is the process of cotton clothes which we wear in summer season. Now we will read about winter season. See, winter season, they are wearing sweaters, mufflers, caps. We wear woolen clothes in winter. हम woolen clothes पहनते हैं. Woolen we get from sheep. See, you can see the picture of sheep. Sheep से हमको ऊन मिलती है. You know what is ऊन? Wool. So with the help of wool we make woolen clothes. Sweater, आपका blazer, then you have scarf. You wear in winter, no? You wear your leggings. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Woolen means garam kapde. We get wool from sheep. From sheep we get wool. Now turn the page. Next is monsoon. Monsoon, as I told you, is rainy season. We use raincoats, gumboots and umbrellas. We use raincoats, gumboots and umbrellas on rainy days. They protect us from rain. Raincoats, आप raincoat पहनते हो ना in rainy season. Then gum boots, ये वाले नीचे जो boy ने पहन रखे हैं, shoes which protect you from the dirt and water. And umbrella you use. You can see the umbrella. So all these things we use in monsoon and rainy season. Special occasions. Yes, there are some special occasions, and on that you wear some special clothes. We wear beautiful and colorful clothes during festivals, birthdays, weddings and other special occasions. What are special occasions? Festivals. आपके होली, दिवाली, राखी, क्रिसमस, ईद आती है ना, festivals. Then you wear new clothes, isn't it? Birthday, very important. You have your birthday celebration. You bring new dresses for that also. Then weddings, अगर घर में शादी है किसी की, तो weddings में भी you wear nice colorful clothes. These are special occasions. What are they? They are special occasions. All these spellings you have to learn. Now we come to uniform. Very important. All of you wear uniform in school. You have Saturday uniform different, then every day's uniform different. See in this picture, boy and girl, they are wearing school uniform. They are going to school. In schools, all children wear similar clothes. Yes, in school, all wear same clothes. That is same uniform. These clothes are called uniforms. Uniform का मतलब same, जो सबका same हो. Each school has its own uniform. सब स्कूलों की अलग अलग uniform होती है, isn't it? We must wear our school uniform every day when we go to school. Yes, when we go to school, we wear our school uniform every day. Some people like doctors, lawyers, postmen, nurses, and soldiers also wear special uniforms. Yes, even some other people, they also have their special uniform. Please learn these spellings. Doctors, lawyers, postmen, nurses, soldiers. उनकी भी uniform होती है. Now next page, see the uniform of doctor with a white coat and stethoscope. Then lawyer with a black coat. Then postman in his dress. Then nurse in her dress, and soldier in their dress. So all have got different uniforms. We should take good care of our clothes. Yes, we should take care of our clothes. We should always wear clean clothes. Very important point. आपको clean clothes पहनने. कभी ऐसा हुआ है मम्मी ने आपको नहा के वही गंदे कपड़े पहना दिए हो वापस? No. Isn't it? आप नहा के साफ धुले हुए कपड़े पहनते हो, isn't it? So this is very important point that we should always wear clean clothes. Good and clean clothes give us a smart look. Yes, if you wear nice, clean and good smart clothes, that gives you a smart look. So this finishes your chapter. Very easy chapter. You can read it again and again and learn the hard spellings. Okay, the spellings of doctor, lawyer, postman, nurse, soldier. Now we come to exercise. Tick right the correct answer. We get wool from cotton plant, rubber plant or sheep? We get from sheep. Woolen clothes protect us from the cold. सर्दियों में पहनते हैं ना woolen clothes. Third, we go to school in dull dress, school uniform or fancy dress? We go in school uniform. Fourth, we wear cotton clothes in summer, winter or monsoon? We wear in summer. Fifth one, your mother wants to give your old clothes to someone who is needy. What will you do? Tick right option you think is the best. Yes, your old clothes your mother wants to give to your maid for her children. Then what you will do? Do not allow your mother to give away the clothes. मना कर दोगे मम्मी को? No. help your mother to pack the clothes neatly. मम्मी को help करोगे उन clothes को pack करने में. Or throw the clothes on the bed and tell your mother to give them away. Or you will throw those on your bed and say, okay, give it to them. No. The right option is help your mother to pack the clothes neatly. So put a tick mark in this. Turn the page. This is match the correctly. Winter with woolen clothes. Summer with cotton clothes. Put number 2 here. 1 here. And rain. Umbrellas. This I will send you the PDF. So you can do your work in the book as well as in your notebook. Okay. You can color these pictures. Thank you.